you know what Jingoism means? Don't worry, I will tell you what it means. Improving your vocabulary is very important when you are preparing for an IELTS exam. Your vocabulary should be rich and updated. Hello everyone, this is Milu and Sojan from Access Language School and I am here with a new vocabulary. Jingoism. Jingoism is a fanatical, over-the-top patriotism. If you refuse to eat, read, wear or discuss anything that wasn't made in your own country, people might accuse you of Jingoism. There is a fine line between being patriotic and Jingoism, the former being a good thing. So I hope you are clear with the new vocabulary Jingoism. Thank you so much for your support.